Welcome back to Full on Self Motivation Podcast, where we empower mothers to build time and money legacies for their families. I'm Nitya Rangarajan, and in this episode, we are looking at a powerful and often overlooked topic: belief systems. Whether you realize it or not, the beliefs you carry, many of which come from your childhood or societal conditioning, directly impact how you view time, money, and abundance. These beliefs influence not only your decisions but also the habits and values you will pass down to your kids. Today, we are going to uncover how these beliefs were formed, how they might be holding you back, and most importantly, how you can rewrite them to align with the millionaire mindset you are working towards. Right, let's get started. Our beliefs about time and money are shaped from a young age, isn't it? Think about the messages you heard growing up. Money doesn't grow on trees, and you have to work hard to make ends meet. There is never enough time for the things you want to do, right? These statements may have been passed down to you by your parents or reinforced by society, but they planted the seeds of that scarcity thinking, no, without them knowing that. This constant belief that resources like time and money are limited or they are very hard. As mothers, this scarcity mindset often shows up in ways we don't even recognize, isn't it? Feeling guilty for taking time for ourselves or believing we need to work harder and longer to deserve wealth, constantly feeling that there is never enough time, never enough money, or even enough of ourselves, right? But here is the thing: these beliefs are not facts, they'll just become patterns that our brains have accepted. And what is more, if we don't confront and rewrite these beliefs, what will happen? They can be passed down to our kids also. The same cycles of time, overwhelm, and money stress will repeat across generations, isn't it? But the good news is beliefs can be rewritten. Here is how you can start shifting your mindset to align with abundance and freedom. Step 1: identify your limiting beliefs. Take time to reflect on the stories you tell yourself about time and money. Ask yourself, what did I hear about money growing up? Was it talked about with stress or abundance? How do I feel about my time? Do I often say I don't have enough time for myself? Awareness is the first step to change. Step 2: flip the script. Replace those limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For example, instead of saying money is hard to come by, just say money flows to me as I align with abundance. Instead of saying I'm always running out of time, you can say I prioritize my time with intention and there is always enough for what matters. So write these affirmations down and repeat them daily to reprogram your mind. Step 3: start small with aligned actions. Beliefs shift when our actions show us what is possible. For time, take a small me time break every day, even 15 minutes, to focus on what lights you up. Show yourself that it is possible to create space. For money, you can start an abundance jar. Put a small amount of money every week and watch it grow. So it's a visible reminder, right, that wealth can be expanding, right? And these small actions help reinforce your new story about time and money. As you see evidence of abundance, your beliefs will start to shift naturally. As mothers, rewriting our beliefs is not just about helping ourselves, it is about setting examples for our children, isn't it? And when you embrace an abundance mindset, your kids will grow up with a healthier story about wealth and time. Now imagine your children learning that money is a tool, not a source of stress. That rest and meaningful living are just as important as productivity. This is how you create a ripple effect, a legacy of freedom, abundance, and peace for generations to come. The power to make this shift is in your hands. Start small, stay consistent, and trust that your aligned energy will inspire those around you. If today's episode resonated with you and you are ready to rewrite your beliefs around time and money, I would love to help you take the next step. Inside my Millionaire Mom program, we dive deep into uncovering and shifting the belief systems that hold you back so that you can step into alignment, take control of your time, and create wealth for yourself and your family. Visit the link in the description to learn more and join a community of moms who are transforming their legacy one belief at a time. Until next time, please remember you are capable, you are abundant, and you are the creator of your family's legacy.